So thank you very
You
much.
have helped to make the trip.
Yeah, yeah. I customize the trip and put everything together, select the thing so far from all the trip for 14 days for you from Hanoi until to Saigon. So in terms of you, how do you feel about the trip so far with Hanoi, Halong Bay, Hue, Hoi An, and now?
I loved Halong Bay on the boat. It was stupendous. And the rest of it has given us a good flavour of Vietnam. It's been excellent.
Yeah.
We've seen lots of things that we wouldn't have seen on our own. And you've been very informative.
Yeah.
You've been excellent telling us about the history of the place and all the local things, which have been very, very interesting.
Yeah. So I hope you will introduce Vietnam to more UK traveler or the person who going to plan to come to Vietnam.
I would definitely recommend you.
Yeah.
Yes.
Thank you, madam. Yeah.
You're very well.
She tells lies.
Thank you very much. Yeah. Frozen chicken. Frozen. Over 2,000. Over 2,000 pieces.
I've cracked it now. Next lot's on his way. What's not green?
There are places, and there's a place where the lighter colour is fresh rock.
Yeah, that's right. Yeah.
And the colour that makes you think it's magnesium limestone, large amount of magnesium limestone in there. Being unloaded or loaded, I'm not sure if that crane is moving a bag of something or else it's a grab jacket.
So they're
Not sure which.
We've got the your kite following us again. Yeah.
Is that bamboo? Something like that.
Yeah, such small bamboo.
Yeah.
Yeah.
The narrow leaves as opposed to the broader leaves here. Yeah, straight ahead. Bamboo. Yeah.
28 traveler from UK and Australia touring Vietnam tour 14 day with Deluxe Vietnam tour, and today they are in Ha Long Bay on luxury cruise seeing Ha Long Bay.
I think they'd be quite comfortable with that. That's all go with you. Whoa! Come and sit beside me. Yeah. Point it this way.
Oh, that's it's not a bad. Okay,
Oh, they are. Was it right?
Oh, that's where they all are.
Well, I'll never go to that kayak, you know what I'm going to say. Don't matter to you, will it?
I don't think that's dry.
Can I interview you about the trip so far in Vietnam from Hanoi, Ha Long Bay, Huế, and Hoi An? Do you enjoy the trip so far?
yes, it has been very good. Good food and good company. We would like more agricultural input if possible. That is my only slight criticism.
Yeah. So between Hanoi, Ha Long Bay, Huế, and Hoi An, which do you like the best?
Oh yeah.
Hoi An. Yeah. Thank you very much. I wish you will tell more British tourists to come to Vietnam to see beautiful country.
Yes, we would encourage our friends to come to Vietnam. It is a long way to fly, but it's worth every mile.
Yeah. So on behalf of the Vietnam tour team, I would like to say thank you very much. Yeah. Well, video to hope you will enjoy more our culture. So tomorrow and the day after tomorrow in the South Vietnam.
Very good.
Yeah. Thank you, sir. Yeah.
Thank you.